kaya binili ko to. Hello everyone, it's me again. If you're new to my channel, my name is Analyn. Early in the morning, my husband is watching golf show. He's getting ready for his golf games. They're going to play today, but I'm not going. So this is the curtains we have in our dining table. This is our first dining, the big dining table. Thanks to my sister-in-law for this table. Beautiful table. Salad wood. Dito kami kumakain is every morning. So that's the curtains. And our master bedroom is not done yet, but I'm gonna show you our curtains. I like that kind of style. Just hang it, go all the way to the floor. Because I think it looks simple. So let's go to my garden. I have my portable stove. Dito ako magluluto pag magluto ako ng fish. Matagal na yan, hindi pa naubos ang gas. I like it. And I have a small grill, wood grill. And my 2 plants. This is for inside. Inside to pero pinapalabas ko muna ngayon kasi ano siya. Wala pa akong parang I'm still looking a place inside to put those plant. This plant. 2 plants. So wala pa akong mahanap. So I have this is the first plant that I have. It's a Christmas cactus. And my snake plant, rose. I have 3 rose flowers. And my parsley. Ito ang marami, ito ang ginagamit namin palagi. And my tomato plant. Ang daming flowers. Marami siyang flowers. Tapos may ano na siya. Green tomato. 4 na dito na ano. I have 4 green tomato in this plant. 3 lang ang makita dito sa camera. Pero 4 yan na sana. Sa kabila, sa likod, hindi masyadong makita. And the next one, the number 2 plant. Number 2 tomato plant. And also, mayroon na ding tomato. Sana makita. Let's make it bigger. Right there. 3 na sila. Ito yung isa hindi pa masyadong makita. So the number 3, the next is mayroon na din 3. Pero ang 2 lang ang ano. Medyo malaki. Yung isa hindi pa masyadong makita. Ang liit pa. And the next one, my last one, pang-4 na tomato plant is I have my 2 din. Focus. What a beautiful morning today. So far, I think I have 10 green tomatoes so far. So this one, I have basil. Marami akong basil dito sa garden ko. Ito plant lang to eh. Nilagay ko lang dito. Tapos may orchids. It's growing nice, healthy. I have my first basil. Binigay yan sa Christmas gift. Yan eh. Malaki na siya. Tapos yung spearmint. Another basil. So this is my bell pepper. Wala pang flowers. Iwan ko dito. May nakikita ako na mga fruit flies. And I have cilantro. There's a chili pepper. And my spinach. Chili pepper. And I have 3 eggplants. Maliit pa. And I have a lot of spinach. I'm gonna transfer them to the pot. Transplant pala. Transplant, transfer. Same lang. And I'm gonna show you what I got for my bell pepper. It's right here. Yesterday, pumunta kami sa Lowe's para bumili nito. Kasi yung bell pepper ko, may nakita ako ng mga flies. Gumagawa sila ng, anong tawag dun, bahay. Kasi maraming mga eggs eh. Color white. Dun under the leaves. So, naisip ko, kailangan ko to. I-spray ko lang. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now!